A tree in which the fruits are considered the most favorite diet of hornbills. What an amazing tree it is! Introducing Duguan Myristica philippinensis of the family Myristicaceae. Duguan is commonly called the nutmeg tree. Duguan is a slow-growing large tree from the nutmeg family. It usually requires partial shading during growth and development. Its wood is used for light temporary construction to make boxes and crates, moldings, interior finish, concrete shuttering, temporary cladding, and plywood cores. The fruits are sources of two essential spices, nutmeg and mace. These are used as flavoring for many dishes, especially cakes and pastries. The fruits of duguan are considered the most favorite diet of hornbills. The local name duguan is derived from its natural characteristic of producing red blood-like sap when the bark is cut. Human uses of duguan go beyond its culinary applications. The spice is a staple in baking, cooking, and beverages, bringing warmth to dishes around the world. Beyond the kitchen, nutmeg oil is utilized in aromatherapy and traditional medicine. Moreover, the wood of the nutmeg tree is prized for its durability and beautiful grain, often used in furniture making. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.